Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are today in this video 4 job roles from Byju's learning app company Vias. First is associate positions. In order to apply for this position Vias, eligibility criteria includes proofreading content to ensure the text is concise, consistent, both grammatically and factually correct, ensuring each sentence is easy to read, ensuring smooth, logical, sequential flow of concepts, and as well as collaborating with designers and writers to get products ready to ship, taking ownership of your work and also driving your team's growth. This role is based in Bangalore. Compensation is as per industry standards. We follow 5 working days with Saturday and Sunday off. Interested candidates can apply for this position Vias, and I am going to provide link in description. And next job role, creative content writer. In order to apply for this position Vias, they need candidate who possess knowledge regarding strong conceptual understanding of K-12 content, maths, science, social studies, commerce, English, excellent communication skills, both written and verbal in English, ability to visualize content, represent it using storyboards. In the same notification, they clearly mention regarding roles and responsibilities, which includes script writing, copywriting, where copywriting includes creating fresh and innovative copy for marketing material. Script writing, every video and book we create has well researched script. Our script writers weave engaging themes and stories around core academic content that provides students with effective learning experience. Interested candidates can apply for this position, and I am going to provide link in description. Next job role, content developer. In order to apply for this position Vias, a knack for working with children and ability to adapt innovative teaching techniques for early learners, proficiency in K3 mathematics and science, ability to creatively visualize and communicate concepts in varied learning styles, excellent communication skills, editorial skills, and understanding of interest in learning theories and global and local education product trends. The drive to learn and grow and strive in fast and furious ever changing cross functional environment. Interested candidates can apply for this position. In the same notification, they mention regarding key responsibilities, which includes research, pedagogy design, scripting, followed by editing and proofreading, which includes technology enabled tools, personalized learning path, and as well as take ownership of your own growth, play testing our products and incorporating insights from into the product. And here's a last job role is senior associate content development based on Bangalore. If you are someone with an ability to teach concepts simply and entertainingly, proficiency in one or more 12 subjects like physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, commerce, social studies, environmental science and English, an interest to write in variety of styles and to visualize content using storyboards, an understanding of interest in learning theories and global and local education product trends. Interested candidates can apply for this position Vias, and I am going to provide link in description. So I am going to provide 4 important links in description Vias. Those who have completed graduation, post graduation in any stream, you are eligible for this position. If you possess knowledge regarding your K-12 like inter subjects. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to needy people who are in search of job. All the best for your upcoming interviews. Subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to receive all latest job updates time to time.